Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to write a resume. So before opening ChatGPT, open a blank document and type out your basic work details. Uh, so something like that, for example, your contact information. So put in mobile phone and let's say email. Uh, So I will put in my phone number and then also an email. So wizard how, let's say, and gmail.com. So this is my contact information. Your past job titles. So we can do, for example, video maker and some company names. So we have uh, how company, then the years you work there, so let's say 3 years. Then the list of things you actually did in those roles, so let's say uh, coffee maker, then editing videos, um, and so on. Now you can put in also your schooling degrees and certificates. So we can put in, uh, yeah, if you have some certificates, put it in degrees and schooling. So we have uh, like something like that. Okay, this is really basic informations about you. Now what you're going to do, where or you already did, you find your job which you want to apply. Okay, so as you can see, you don't just ask ChatGPT to write you the resume. Give it clear, specific instruction instead. So you can copy and paste these prompts here. So I will give you right over here in the description. Also, I will give you this example, which we will go through, that you can go through and change it as you prefer. Now, let's say this one is more like professional summary. You can get this really easily. So you will put in here the job title which you want to apply for. Here you will put paste job description, and you will also paste your short work history right over here. And this will then write a short, punchy 3-sentence professional summary for the top of uh, resume that highlights my most relevant skills. So I will put right here on job title. So let's say video maker. Then past job description would be uh, for example. Now here we can paste short work history. So something like that. And now what I can do is just hit submit, and now ChatGPT will start working. So as you can already know, the ChatGPT is a smart tool, but it doesn't know your real life story. So you must check its work carefully. So then, if you are not happy with it, you can fix any exaggeration, add real numbers, fix the tone. If you notice that sentence sounds too robotic or uses words you would never say, so you can rewrite it in your own voice. So you have bunch of prompts to write, so you can write strong work experience bullet points. You can match your skill list. So I will put those examples in the description down below. So check it out. But what you need to do is, after you finish in ChatGPT, copy the final edited text to, let's say, Google Doc, Microsoft Word, as I have it opened right over here. Uh, Choose clean, simple resume template and paste your text into the template sections. Save the document as PDF file, and yeah, this is pretty much it how you can uh, use ChatGPT to write a resume. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next